Telling me what beans are what?
They're a nuisance, aren't they?
No, they're not.
Why would you even want them on your plate?
Right, listen.
I'm listening.
I love a bean.
You fucking lesser. Sorry.
Don't lick them, I eat them. And, that's not much better, is it?
Well,
Anyway,
I don't know. I probably would if we were videoing it. It'd be
Wait, you can't beat a bean. Now you've made it fucking...
sexual.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't mean to. This is what we roadies get up to.
Right, anyway. 2 slices of toast.
Yes.
An egg on one.
What colour toast?
What do you mean, what colour?
Well, fucking what colour bread?
Well, golden. Not too burnt, not too white and floppy. That's not even toast. Do you know what I mean? Put your butter on, you might as well be bread again.
No, George, but what do you mean? What I mean is...
Like,
no, would it be like brown bread, seasoned bread, or white bread? Any bread.
I don't mind a bread.
Any bread, okay.
I quite like a brown bread, actually.
What about
anyway,
flat bread?
But it does go a bit soggy.
Well, flat bread?
It's all flat, innit?
Right,
Anyway,
so,
right,
yeah,
listen,
go on.
2 squares of bread. So what was it? I mean, slices.
Of breakfast.
A fried egg on one.
Yeah.
Beans on another. Yeah.
No way.
But if you're being really you've got to like, do I want 2 eggs or one? Ooh. Then you do 2 eggs, then you put an egg on top of the beans on the toast, that one.
That's horrible.
And sometimes though, if you think, there's a lot of juice in them beans and that, might have to do an extra bit of toast on the side, cut in half, load of butter, so you mop bits up, and your extra egg.
Yeah, but what happens when you cut the egg open on top of the beans? That must be disgusting.
Well, no, because
Don't the egg go running into the beans?
Well, yeah, if you let it.
Oh, man, that's horrible.
I like to get my bread and dip that bit first.
Right. Okay, do you want to know what I like?
So it's a little bit runny, but then you leave a bit of firm egg at the bottom, if you know what I mean.
What, the white bit?
No, when it goes not quite firm.
West Ham have just scored again, excellent.
Oh, are they top the league?
No, it's a European game, and
Who's
we
top
hopefully
the
going to
league?
win because we've bet a shitload of
Who's
Harvey
top the
Stocks
league
money on it.
anyway?
In England,
What?
Man City, I believe.
Oh, so I support them.
They won the FA
I'm
Cup.
fucking stupid.
They won the FA
I've
Cup.
got change next week.
They
If
won-
they lose and somebody else is at the top, well, I'll support them then.
Well, I believe they won the Premiership, the FA Cup, and what else are they going to win? League Cup, I think. So, yeah, it's all good. Nice on Manchester City. So, West Ham are going to win tonight, and we're going to win loads of money. And going back to the fucking food situation.
Beans,
Georgina, the food situation, right, guess what I had today?
and beans, you can, oh my god.
I didn't have beans,
ham,
listen.
egg, chips and beans.
Right,
Ooh,
check this out.
cheese, chips and beans.
Check this out, yeah? I went,
Fucking sausage, egg, chips and beans. Nice.
Right,
beans,
listen.
I love beans.
right, listen, Georgina, this is what happened today. I thought I loved the Lodge Cafe at the border of Norfolk and Lincolnshire on the A17, is it? And I had 4 pork sausages, 2 eggs, and a portion of chips.
4 sausages?
4, yeah. And that with no beans at all. And a can of Coke. I think it's £9.
4 sausages, 2 eggs.
4 sausages, 2 eggs, chips. £9 with a can of Coke, yeah.
That's a lot.
And I didn't think so. And I parked the lorry outside, and I went out of my way to go there because I think it's so good there.
Are they good sausages though, not cheap shit?
They are the cheap ones, but they fucking better than the Lincolnshire ones. No,
that
I'll tell you.
disappoints me so bad.
Do you know why I don't?
Honestly, surely it can't cost that much to get a proper sausage full of fucking pork.
Right, there is an option.
Not fucking and Richmond ones. What the fuck are they?
No, they don't do those.
They go
I
in
don't mind
fucking
them.
oven, pal, and
Yeah.
they still fucking pal when you get the cunts out. It's fucking nothing in. Don't buy them, Simon.
No, it's not the rich one. So anyway, yeah, so at that cafe, to be fair to them, you can pay extra to have a Lincolnshire sausage, which is, what the difference is a Lincolnshire
It's got
sausage?
herbs in.
Oh, is that what it is? Herbs.
Yeah,
Herbs. Okay.
It's
Right.
just a herby sausage, innit?
Okay.
Yeah, pork sausage, plain, pork. Then you got your Lincolnshire, herby.
Herby.
And then you got your, that Cumberland brown thing, innit?
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
that's a herby thing, I know.
They're kind of twirled up, aren't they? We had
Yeah.
some once we were in Serbia, and we went into this Serbian restaurant, and it was just after Tony Blair had bombed the fucking shit out of their country, and like then rebuilt all the bridges and everything. And me and my mate were out there. Well, he was a mate until something
Threw in
happened.
front of the bomb.
He threw me in front of a bus. No, he's all right. And we went there, and obviously they, to be honest, whether they understood us or not, I don't know. But we went into a restaurant, and I just ordered all this stuff for just by pointing at the menu.
Yeah.
And literally, they came out with about 8 different versions of a rolled up sausage. Yeah, honestly, really small that. And you cut into one, yeah, and it's like, it's fucking bitter as fuck. And you just think they must think you fucking dickheads from England. We're gonna rinse your fucking money. Honestly, they did as well. Yeah, I paid £500 to get out of that country. I actually did.
You've had enough sausage.
Yeah, it's kind of thing. Yeah. All right, Roscoe.
You love a sausage, don't you?
But not Rupert's, I hope.
No.
Yeah. Right. I hope we win on football. George, I've got to go have a piss. Very nice to interview you tonight.
Thank you very much for having me.
And what have you done with the dangerous blue candle? Because I did read about her...
It's dangerously, precariously settled on top of the lid of a Yankee candle on your plastic shelf in the bathroom.
Fucking
Let's
brilliant.
hope it don't melt.
Brilliant. So my insurance company can pay out all the money to you? Okay.
I've shut the window so
Oh, no
no one
draft.
can come in or draft can blow it off. So it should be relatively safe.
George, if it does catch fire,
Yeah.
just throw all that
Screech,
expensive stuff on
because
it.
your alarm battery's gone.
Here we go. Right, I'm going to have a piss. That's good. Any more to say before we cut off this interview tonight?
Goodbye. Hi. Thanks for listening.